So guys, I'm making a sample and I'm noticing my sample has a little scratch. What does that mean? It means that my trowel has a little scratch. So me as a professional, I stop of what I do and I don't keep moving forward. I don't keep moving forward on the sample or on the wall and have scratches all over the place. I come back and fix it. It's what professionals do. So, I have my little kit box. And I have all my sandpaper. I have from, this is 1,000, 1,500, my whole little collection that I have. I collect sandpaper, different sizes, different cords. The finest the better for fixing nicks, of course. So I'm gonna start with 1,000 to fix it. But first, you have to find the problem, okay? So how you do it is, right there, I feel it. Right here, I feel it. So what I do is just come back and start rubbing it. But you have to rub it in both directions, in both sides. You have to do it on this top side and the back side as well, okay? Very important. Then you get your wet rag, clean it. I think it fixed the problem. I guess it was a very little nick, but remember, this is what we call, when stainless steel has a little nick, it could be a very minor, petty nick, but that nick will for sure mess up your wall, your sample, whatever it is. I can still hear it. I'm gonna get 1,500 now. So this is also what we do as a maintenance of our trowel. We want to break in our trowel because the more we use it, the finer it gets. The finer it gets, the sharper it gets. The sharper it gets, the easier it is to get nicked. Remember, so that's why you have your plastic safeguards. You put it on your trowels and you protect your trowels no matter what. And you always try to keep your trowels clean. Clean tools are happy tools. That's how we do it, exotic.